been so long from niggas so cheap and your flex so D, your sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liv Celene if you're new, and if you're not, thank you so much for coming back to more content. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Okay guys, so today's video is a little different than anything I've done before. I'm going to be doing a luxury unboxing for a YSL little bag that I got yesterday. If you watched my Mercedes-Benz vlog, at the end I said how I'm stepping into a new season for myself, this luxurious lifestyle that I want to lead, and so this is my first purchase and just like a really big step for me, so I'm super excited and can't wait to see all my little luxury pieces start to acquire, so I'm super excited for that. But yeah, so I actually picked up the Monogram Chain Wallet in mixed embossed leather from Saint Laurent. It came in this silver medium-sized bag, and I made the purchase from Phipps here in Atlanta. So in the bag you get this pretty Saint Laurent box, all nice with the ribbon. So the box comes tied in this ribbon. You can obviously undo the tie, or you can just pull it right off like I am here. Once you open the box, you see two items aside from the bag, which is going to be the price tag, which is in this little Saint Laurent card, and then also a little envelope that also says Saint Laurent. So removing the paper, here is our bag in this small dust bag that says Saint Laurent on it. Okay, so now that we have the dust bag out, just pull it out. I've already opened it, not gonna lie. So it came nicely with a little sticker on it. And shout out to Katrina, she was the one who helped me in YSL and Phipps. She was super helpful. And actually, she was who helped me when I went and got a bag with one of my best friends there. So she's super nice and super helpful and super knowledgeable, so. Okay guys, so here is the little bag. The chain comes wrapped, and then like I said, it's the mixed print here. So we have like the quilted chevron down here, which I believe is the matelassé, and then lines here, the monogram. I think this is super cute. Let me go ahead and remove the plastic from the chain. So yeah, YSL actually has a ton of different envelope bags, whether it be wallet on chain or actual bags, like from small, medium, large. This one I have is considered chain wallet, and then they had one for a few $100s more that was considered an actual handbag, and they were honestly like the same exact size. It was just the handbag was a little wider this way. The other really big difference between this and the handbag obviously was that the handbag double chains, but there are a few different ways that you can wear this, which I'll show you in a little bit. But yeah, I really love this bag. This is the larger of the wallets on chain. The main difference between this and the smaller one is the smaller one kind of has a leather piece of strap right here at the very top, and this one does not. So I think this is super cute, and I'm all pressed. I am not a large handbag person. I don't ever really carry large handbags. I'm honestly someone who can just have their wallet with lip gloss in it and their keys and I'm fine. Like, it's not, I don't really have a lot of stuff on me at once, so I think this is perfect for me. Yeah, I really love it. So some of the technical stuff, the bag retails for $15.90 here in the US, so it's $17.31 after taxes. And so jumping right in to the bag, it has this little clasp closure, and then a lot of space inside. So on the inside of the bag, like I said, it is technically a wallet, so it has 10 card slots in here, and then wide space here, and also another opening here, and then in the very back there's a little slit as well that you'll be able to fit things in. So you can remove the chain from this bag and carry it as a little clutch. And like I said before, there are a few other ways to wear this that I will be utilizing. But overall, I'm super happy with this purchase. I think it is an essential. It's definitely very suitable for different occasions. Saint Laurent to me is just like a super classy and super classic, and it's never really gonna go out of style. Me saying that, I also want to mention that when you buy it, there is a 2-year warranty that comes along with it, so that's good as well. But yeah, I'm super pleased. I'm gonna show you guys how much I can fit in this bag with it still being able to close pretty well. Okay, y'all, so I just grabbed the things out of my current bag. Like I said, I'm not a big bag person, so my current bag already is small that I carry on the everyday. Main thing is phone. I have an XS Max, so we're just gonna slide that right in the front. My cards and stuff, obviously, just go right in these slots. My keys, and the Ben's keys is like, to me it's pretty fat, so I think this is a rather large key. So let's just slide that in there. Lip glosses, chapsticks, lip liners, eyebrow brush, girl. And I have allergies and stuff, so I always carry some tissues with me. And girl, can't forget our masks. So after that, I like, before I started, I like dumped down my old bag onto the floor, and wow, can't forget your hookah tips. I mean, pop those right in there. All right, so with that, we just have it all in there. Now, there's one thing left on the floor here that's super important, and that is my hand sanitizer. This ain't fitting in here, but other than that, she fits a lot to be considered a wallet, so super cute. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys different ways to wear this. Okay guys, so the first way to wear is obviously just gonna be its full length, either on your side, down below, like so, or as a crossbody. And so I am 5'5", and the bottom of it hits like right at my hips. So I don't think this is a bad length for my height. I actually really like it this way for a more casual look, or just down by the side. I'm definitely more of like the shoulder look, so I probably wear it on the shoulder before crossbody. But yeah, this way is a super easy go-to, and how the bag's actually meant to be worn. Okay, so the next way is going to be taking the straps and crossing them along the inside. So basically just taking one that way and one that way, and clasping the bag in there. That way you shorten it, so you do have a cute little shoulder bag. I honestly think this is probably going to be the most prominent way that I do wear it. Super cute to me like this, so love it this way. And then another way to wear it is kind of similar to the last way with crossing. However, you cross behind first. So basically you take one strap back here and put it in the front. And then you can just wrap the second one around like so, to where you create a little double chain. And this way is also super cute. I'd say this goes more into evening wear this way, but still super cute. And then obviously, last but not least, you can just simply wear it as a clutch with all of the chain tucked in. Super classic, super sleek. Okay guys, so overall, I really like this bag. I think it is, like I said, super sleek, super classy looking. Definitely looks like it was crafted well. I definitely wear a lot of black, so I will get a good use out of this, and I'm definitely someone who wears gold over silver, as you can see. So yeah, I'm super excited about this purchase. I'm super proud of myself, and I'm pressed, to be honest. Yeah, so this is the first of the first of my now growing designer bag collection, so I'm super excited for this. But yeah, that is pretty much the gist of this little chain wallet. Like I said, it's definitely, I think, a good compromise to the actual handbag that's small. You can wear it many different ways, so I definitely think the little difference, over $500 cheaper, is definitely a good take. So, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can see how I start wearing her and all that good stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and let me know if you have any questions, leave them all below and I'll be happy to answer them for you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.
You got it.